Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we will be going over how to open a Chase U-Invest account. I will not go into too much detail in terms of review as I did make a separate video discussing the pros and cons of U-Invest. It did make it to my personal list of top 3 brokerages. I will leave the link to that video in the iCard or in the description of this video so you guys can check it out. If you do want me to do a more in-depth review of Chase U-Invest, please let me know in the comment section below, and if I get enough responses, I can make a dedicated video to the Chase U-Invest account. But for the sake of this video, we will walk through how to open a Chase U-Invest account and hopefully get the $725 that they are offering for us. So we are in the Chase U-Invest homepage here. We are pleased to offer you up to $725. And here they go into how easy it is and everything else. One of the advantages is that it's a no-fee brokerage, as a lot of these brokerages are these days. So you can see here, unlimited commission-free online stock, ETF, and option trades, and there's a $0 minimum, so it's all good over here. And then here they discuss how you could get the bonus payment. So here's how we like to reward our investors. If you are bringing in new money in the range of $25,000 to $99,999, you will get $200 bonus. You will get a $350 bonus if you're bringing in $100,000 to $249,999, and you'll get a $725 bonus if you're bringing in $250,000 or more. So depending on how much money you're bringing into this account, that is how your bonus is going to scale up. Now, a few things to note: that you have to open this account by 9/21/2020, which is September 21st. And after you open this account, you have 45 days to bring in this so-called fund into your Chase U-Invest account. And you have to keep that money there for about 90 days to be eligible for this bonus payment. And also, U-Invest, this is the account for investing, but there are different subtypes to it. It could be a regular brokerage account, or more correctly known as an individual account, or it could be a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA. So that pretty much covers most of the possible investment accounts one can choose. So they do give us quite a few options here. And finally, low industry pricing, a little bit of marketing talk. And here they talk about click to open an account and email my coupon. So I already received the email with the coupon code. So let's see how this goes and open up an account. Okay, so I guess they want us to choose what kind of account we'd like to open. For me, it's going to be an individual or brokerage account. Okay, thanks for choosing to open a U-Invest brokerage account. Naturally, they will probably ask me for some personal information. I will black out that information for you guys, so I would not like to share that information on YouTube. Okay, seems like they already populated it with my information. Okay, please tell us about your occupation. I'm employed. Do you work for a financial institution that requires pre-approval before employees can open an investment account? No. Here they're asking for the information of my employer. I will be blacking that information out. Okay, trusted contact person. Since this is optional, I am going to skip that for now. I'll also skip any beneficiaries for now. Okay, so now they want us to review these documents and acknowledge that we've read them. So make sure you guys read this, click on this URL, review this documentation thoroughly, and then acknowledge that you have read them. Okay, here they just want me to verify my social security number. Once again, I would have to hide that information. Please tell us how you'd like to fund your account. Okay, I will fund it later. Now they want me to review my information and confirm. Okay, and I click on submit. Okay, so here they say, thanks for applying. It may take up to 1 business day to review your application. We'll send you an email when your brokerage account is ready and you can start investing. Here's what you can do once your account is open. Fund your new investment account from a deposit account, access your dashboard, place trades, roll over your IRA or qualified retirement plan if applicable. So pretty standard. I would say it was fairly easy, fairly simple. I guess it's partially because I'm already a Chase customer, so they had a lot of my information, so I didn't have to fill those out. But overall, not a lot of questions, not a lot of hoops to jump through. So in my opinion, I would say it's a fairly quick and a fairly straightforward process. So if someone's new to investing or is not very tech savvy, this is a good process to get started, especially if you're already banking with Chase. You know, you don't have to share your information with another party, so your information remains with Chase, so that's good. And say if you already have a checking account or a savings account, or your direct deposit is going directly to Chase, so you know it's already there, so it's easy for you to move the money from, say, your checking account to your Chase You Invest account. So it's all good. I will pause this video here for now, and I'll wait for that email to come through and see what the status is and add that to the video accordingly. Alright everyone, so this is the next day and I logged into my Chase account, and here you can see that the Chase UInvest account has been created. Currently I have not funded my account, but let's click on it and see what it looks like. Alright, fairly straightforward. I will not do a review on how to operate this account just yet. I'll probably make a separate video on that. I want to focus this video solely on how to create the Chase UInvest account. Alright guys, so I'll go ahead and conclude this video here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you like contents like this, you might want to consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.